my first snow coverage. Y'all, I cannot believe I did my first storm coverage a few weeks ago. I had to post this today because, well, it's snowing again. I'm not even on snow coverage this shift, but this day actually stuck with me. It was humbling, like very humbling. I did mess up, no cap, cold fingers, foggy brain, snow everywhere, and I had one of those moments where like I was, sis, breathe, literally. But I redeemed myself. I talked it through. I had a photog, which is a camera guy. It was freezing. I could barely feel my face, my toes. But honestly, I admire the snow. And this is a reminder that growth doesn't always look perfect. Sometimes it's cold, messy, and worth it. Guys, if you're heading outside, layer up. I've got